In this video, we are going to see how we can see our analytics on TikTok. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process here, guys. First of all, if you want to view and manage your content and basically view all your analytics, you will head over to the bottom right hand corner and click on the profile icon. And from here, we will click on the three lines at the top right hand corner and head over to the TikTok studio. From here, it will open up the analytics. But if you want to see it more in detail, you will just click on the arrow sign next to it. And after that, you should be able to see your key metrics for 7 days, 60 days, 365 days, and you can view and manage your traffic sources and analyze from which sources you're getting the most audience and also the most newest viewers, most liked videos. You can manage all of the top posts here as well. Also, you can view and manage your followers trend over time. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.